Hi guys, welcome back to another Photoshop series. In this series, I will teach you simplest Photoshop tricks for daily purpose. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create outline text in Photoshop. So let's begin. Click on the create new button, and after that you need to give a file name. So I have given simple outline. This will be the PSD file name, and after that you need to give a dimension like width and height. So I have already given 1920 multiply with 1080, and also you can choose the resolution. The higher the resolution, more will be the quality of the image will increase, and keep the rest of the setting as same, and then click on the create button. Now to write the text, just click on the type tool, and in any given space you just need to press left click and start typing. So I have written like simple outline in Photoshop. You can write anything as per your requirement. To move the tool, just click on the move tool and click on the text, and you can align it as per your requirement. Now to give a line break in the text, just click on the type tool and click where you want the line break. So here I click on the in word and I give a line break. So you can see simple outline now break into two lines. Now to give a stroke to the text, you can click on the FX option and choose stroke. So stroke is nothing but just the outer boundary kind of a thing. So here you can choose any color, like I have chosen the red color, and also you can play with the size, also the thickness of the border, and you can position the stroke whether you want it outside of the text, or whether you want the stroke inside of the text, or you want in the center of the text. Also you can play with blending option. So as our background is white, so if you choose blend option like screen or overlay, it will give you only white kind of a background. So depending on your requirement, you can play with this text. This will give some awesome kind of effects also. So you need to be patient and just have to play multiple times. So as you can see, I am trying normal again, and then I will press OK. Now to create a outline, you need to click on the fill button in the layers panel. So as you can see, there is a fill button below the opacity. So you need to make it 0. As we make it 0, the black text which we are able to see, it's a fill, so it will become nullified. So there will be no black color, it will only have the red stroke. So now you can see it become an outline. So this is the way we can create this kind of effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this video will help you to learn simple tricks in Photoshop. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And please press the notification bell for any new future updates. Please share your valuable feedback in the comment section, which helps me to produce new videos and improve my content journey. Please check out my latest photo manipulation video and black and white tricks playlist. Links given below. Hope to see you again with some new video. Till then, keep learning, be creative. Bye bye, sayonara and gracias.